So, welcome beautiful people to another attempt of my improve myself in programming. 3 minutes. Oh, where's my timers? Nowhere. So watch this. Of course, you open on the next one. Oh no! It's this one. 3. Somewhere in here. 5 minutes maybe will use, and this guy. And I also should be preparing for the interview. I have 3 days, maybe. And they will probably not give me the job. I'm not sure if I will want it. Okay, so what are the requirements? I don't even know. Let me see. There we go. So it is, let me see. Hey, Clasher. Cheers. Java programming experience, Angular 2 plus experience, English at working proficiency, a positive outlook, a passion for software engineering, and the ability to work as a part of a Scrum team. Those are required skills. And they are like, are you interested? Send us your CV. I didn't. Just too lazy. Yeah, well, whatever. Let's do this. Then I can go. Just send you the general link next time. Instead of I'm not sure if everyone would hire me. Do you see what he's doing? Oh my god. Oh, yeah, I'm kind of still thinking about it. I will probably tell them. I have a YouTube channel. I'm influencer now. Nah. Okay, what is the result? Felt bad. 7. Okay. So it was 7:38. Kind of fucked up. Well, that's okay. That happens. And we have some redeem for the background. So let's see what it is. Okay. Save image as redeems. And it is 2021. Tomorrow I have a birthday. 1651. Clasher. Cast. Last 4 is from Clasher. That's cool. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Whoa. Thank you. And yeah, I'll start this timer. And what am I doing? I was doing something somewhere. That kind of describes what I was doing. Okay, here's like a lot of changed files which I have in here. So, what do we have there? Why is it not everything expand, huh? I'd like it to be expanded. Oh yeah, I was... Oh, I know. I had this problem. This thing. This was my problem. Requirements on a dive plan. That was the fuck up which I did. I remember now. Yeah. Hey, who is this? I don't even know who that is. Artist, site, shutdown festival. Oh, someone. Be positive, a job. Well, okay. So maybe I'm not qualified for the job. Dr. Peacock. Okay. I'll go ahead and... Dutch DJ. Okay. So I'll have a look at him later. Oftentimes I feel like crap that I should be like much better, given how much time I did spend on this already. Some things we cannot choose, I guess. Maybe I can do Riot. And this will be app of components number. It fucking works. I love it. Feels like you want to split components into 2 or more. What do you mean? Why would I want to do that? Group components values into groups by meaning or usage. Feels like you want to split components into 2 or more. Components values into groups by meaning or usage. Well, they have the same meaning currently. I have those things. Maybe you are talking about this, right? Here we have like some names, like the Czech name, English name, and the scientific name, but none of those are in there currently. They will be elsewhere. They will be on the ingredient itself. Hey. I'm going to find out how to use your webcam. How are you doing, Ryan? Okay, now I think my application did shit itself in many places, so we will fix that. First will be the requirement component. God damn. Yeah, here's one of my webcams. I'm pulling your leg. Come on, come on. There we go. It is at Wednesday, and I didn't have a look into anything so far to prepare myself, so it will be total disaster. What's the position? Full stack developer. Full stack engineer. Yeah, and it is Java and Angular. Yeah, it is well, no. I did in the tech stack this crap. Do you know? Oh, well, it doesn't work, but isn't the audio too loud? I know I did. Yeah, it is loud. I should like turn my volume down a little bit. I'm louder today. So add requirements. Yeah, and the HTML. So in the HTML, There will be the add requirement button, click button add requirement, and it did something. And here we have requirement name selected. Okay, so this is bullshit. This will be keys, components. Wait, no. I want to import it. You should import it. Components. Fuck, it was called components, right? Yeah. Why do you want to code less on the job and focus more on perception also? Also, are you okay with 24/7 code addition you really like? Is this a serious question or is this a joke question? Yeah, I knew where you are heading, but you just started, right? Doing the DevOps. I mean, you have like few weeks or so. Oh, you were? Oh, I did not know. I did not knew. Motherfuckers. Yeah, but the DevOps is like, it's well paid also, right? And it looks like it has like good future, you know? So I would not complain that much. The clock analytics. Interesting. Hi. Writing colored letters in a black word. That took me a second. Oh, yeah, it's kind of fucked up a little bit at the moment. I did a major refactoring, but I see the end of the tunnel. I see light at the end of the tunnel. So far, we don't know if that is the actual end of the tunnel or approaching a train, but we are getting somewhere. Thank you. It's this one. Yeah, fuck. Yeah, from selectable columns, right? I forgot. No, like, what fuck? Fuck! Columns names. String is not assignable to the fuck. Yeah, because it's bullcrap right now, and I wanted to do the thing which I did in the requirements, right? The key of components. So we will go here and it will just say you are key of components. Here we go. Now we need to, which will be components. Why is it not available? Huh? That should be okay. We have problems in here. Requirements I've selected, so this will be. Why do I have here the selectable columns? I don't remember anymore. That might be something which I don't need in here. That's not the only warning which we got. It is now, okay. So in a get page, we are getting that, then on ingredients, we put that in there. Then the column names. Oh yeah, I know, this was. Just this bullshit, because I basically did the selections out of the page which I was getting, but that was a bad approach which I wanted to, so that's why it doesn't make sense. Oh my god, it's bullshit. It is a bullshit. Okay, so this we don't need at all. Selectable columns is already set up. It's TypeScript. I think you never can say like better about anything, because good means like good for something, right? I mean, like what is good for scientist is not good for a professional footballer, right? Like teaching or learning like that. Yeah, I will be removing a lot of code, which is nice. So JavaScript is like nice if you have like teeny tiny program and you want to do it just fast, then it's like, I would say then the JavaScript is better. Like for example, this I have like on my page, you know, like I have this which will randomly select something, you know, in here. This is written in JavaScript, and because it's like just taking those values, you know, it doesn't, like, there's not much benefit of doing it in a TypeScript. But I would say for like each project which kind of grows like more and more, and it's like harder to have everything in your mind, then immediately the TypeScript is better because it provides the safeguarding of the strongly typed language. That's my opinion. So it depends. I don't think there is like one is better. It depends on the context, as always. So in general, do you want to do application? I would go with TypeScript. Do you want to show like something in like 30 minutes to someone else? JavaScript is probably nicer. So these column names we don't need. This will be also, this should not be in the, well, requirement name selected. Yeah, I would, if I would be into the decision, this is exactly the reason, yes. If I would be the decision maker. Disk also can be in here. Yeah, it is already. And what the fuck are you doing? Oh no, what was the first one? I don't know. Energy, yeah. It might be something else. Component, energy, yeah, it is. So the first one. Then we don't need this. So much better. I feel like so productive. Deleting lines is one of the best things which you can do. Well, deleting the lines and keeping the functionality, that is. This does not do anything as well, I think. Oh, come on. The HTML. How it was called? Well, if I want like this and then yeah, I can say, okay, how do I do in Vim? Vim search for Yank text. That's exactly what I want. Control R. Oh, that's registry and then 0, okay. It's not here, okay. So that's good, so we probably don't need it. Well, you know what, I will try to run it. And then we will see if that works or not. Okay, so we have some problems. So requirements component, HTML 21. HTML 21. Yeah, because it is now requirements, but now this is not that. Requirements now have this structure. We have two maps, right? Required and fulfilled. Does that make sense? Which would do I have a requirement thingy? No, I don't. So we will have, I think I will like more if we have export inter interface requirement, and that will have a required number fulfilled. That will be number as well, you know. Then we will have, and here this will be then we can have a like map of requirements, you know. So here in the structure, this will be a map. That will be it. This guy. What the fuck just happened? This is supposed to be a text, but it's not. Whatever. Oh fuck! Whoa, 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 whoa! Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. I don't know what happened. Yeah, I do have written a few of the unit tests, both in Java and both in the backend and the frontend. But they kind of like did not write them lately. Maybe I don't need the requirements now. This will be a requirement, and then I have just the map in there, right? Like so. I do like them apples now. The thing is, my cursor is vanished. Okay. The thing is, now that might be nice, but I have a lot of things to change now. Again, this should be like fairly red now. Yeah, so this does not exist, right? So empty requirements, so those does not exist at all. Now I have a problems in here. Requirements will be a map, new map. Oh fuck, that's at first it should not be on the component at all. It should be on the selected diet plan. Oh god, I'm just digging myself deeper and deeper. Here is the diet plan, and the requirements will be new map, and this will be key of component requirement. He doesn't like it. Okay, so what's the problem? Yeah, sorry. Okay, now import statement, exactly. And we basically will use this over there too. here we go. So that's all nice and dandy. The categories we are not using at all currently. Well, I will leave it for the moment. So we will have a look in here, and 19 in the template. 19, yes. So let the requirements of requirement, then we have the key value. Oh, requirement of, what is it? Hey, Transtar. What's your problem? Other source variable of type. Okay, so in the what I did, it's requirements now, and it should be on the diet plan, right? And I deleted that from there, so we'll have of this selected diet plan dot requirements. That's exactly what I want. Then we have that key value. So the key is the name, and then the value required and fulfilled. The required is good, but what the fuck? Why is this? This shouldn't be like in the promise or whatever. What the fuck is this? Object is of type unknown. Did you work with machine learning? Yes, on the university. That's so long time ago. That's not true anymore. We are training neural networks and shit like that. I did such. One of the things which I kind of liked, and I thought that was really cool, that we trained a neural network to play Mario or like some games from Atari. I thought that was pretty cool. It's pretty bad at it. How hard is to AI which will recognize, for example, from web shop or name and price? It depends on the approach. There's like it's like the whole AI is just like fuckery. It's like people are just trying shit and sometimes it works. Yeah, well, you know what, even though we've written like few of those, I don't feel qualified to answer this. Hey, Nightlight. Holy fuck, like all the nice people are coming just when I have to leave. Cheers, pleasure. Yeah. But it was like part of the like semestral work or whatever, you know, it doesn't count for shit because you have it's like all the materials is like given to you, you know, and you just have to study it and then execute and that's it. it's easy then. What am I doing? The difficult thing for me, for example, was writing the Linux driver. That was kind of like, well, in the end, it was like easy, but I guess it took a while for me to understand what the fuck is happening in there, and once I understood it, it was okay. That took me a good amount of time. That was hard. Or like when we were like, so long time ago, but there was first thing which you kind of go into is the evolutionary algorithms with the fitness function. That's the first step, which you kind of like we went into when we were learning the AI and the neural networks. So first you this evolutionary algorithms by itself. That was the first stepping stone. Then the next step was to look into neural networks by itself, because those two well you can, well, it depends how is your demands really, because if you want him to, because if you have the HTML, you have the text in there, right? And that is like fucking like much more valuable. That's, you might even have like you will have at I don't know, let's say what is the Amazon, right? So we do Amazon, and I have a look at whatever beauty pics, you know, and here, you know, and then here's the price, right? And if I do inspect, you know, it is a price hole, right? Price symbol, price hole. So you can basically just you don't have to give a shit about what is on like the picture of the HTML, but you can traverse this thing over here, you know. I think that would be like easier. Yeah. But you probably, there's a friend of mine who is finishing who is finishing his PhD in artificial intelligence. He continued with the study, so, and he has a Twitch channel in here, and he's called Movies. Movies. Okay, he's called, holy fuck, how is he called? Subscription Friends, maybe? Roxanne, Carla, of course, no. I have following. Live channels we think you like. Well, it's good like a background, but watching it like itself. Channels. It's called OpenSpiel. This is his. He's the guy who you want to talk to. He will tell you. He will tell you a lot of the things. He streams on the weekend, so he might be. Okay, so he says next will be Sunday, May 9. Yeah, but this is one of the guy you can ask, and he will most likely have the like good answer for you. I haven't done it for so many years. I don't even know like anything about it. Well, this says we are done. That is better than